Hi, my name is Michael, and this video will be talking about Kritanu, who is a year 6 attending the STEMSEL Saturday workshops. His project is a laser communications project, which uses a laser diode to send a light beam into a light sensor, which controls different outputs depending on how long the laser is kept on for. And his project is useful because it has a longer range than some radio frequencies, and it also has no confliction because old microwaves used to be on a similar radio frequency to Wi-Fi. So whenever you would microwave something, your Wi-Fi would basically cut out. And that's really bad for when you're online gaming or trying to stream something. But anyway, let's take a look at what he has to offer.
Hi, my name is Kritanu. I'm in year 6 and I'm from OPPS. Today I built a laser communication system, and this is how it works. So if I press a button for a short amount of time, a laser beam sends a beam to a light sensor, and then the light sensor triggers, if the laser is on for a long time, then it will trigger the fan, and if the laser is on the light sensor for a short amount of time, then it will trigger the light bulb like this. So it's short. That's short, and this is long.
Very good.
Now, as you could probably see, it's pretty amazing what he can achieve at only year 6. Now, this same laser communication concept is being used at NASA on their lunar projects. So the lunar module was sent out to space, and they use laser to send data from the moon all the way to ground base on Earth. And the laser accuracy is actually so accurate that it only goes out by ½ an inch. And as you can see in his video, he had to move it onto the light sensor. Now, isn't it pretty cool how he learned this concept and was also able to implement it into his project at the STEMSEL Saturday workshops? He also got help to make it, so if you're a parent watching this and your kid is interested in some programming, make sure to check out the websites in the description. And if you're a kid watching this, make sure to tell your parents if you're interested. Now, thank you so much for watching to the end, and goodbye.